Kirby, welcome to my channel. Today we are reviewing the Yes To Instant No Rinse Shampoo Gaps. So if you are interested to refresh your hair and see if they work, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so as I said in the intro, we are reviewing the Instant No Rinse Shampoo Cap from Yes To. I'm a big believer in dry shampoo. Having fantasy hair color, I do not wash my hair a whole lot. It has been, what is this? I feel like I'm at like hair wash confessional. Forgive me, Father, for it has been 4 days since I have washed my hair last. Yeah, I go through a lot of cans of dry shampoo. I have like 5 or 6 open right now because different dry shampoos are for like different days or for different stylings and things like that. So you can't always be too careful with your pickings. And I have seen something similar to these no rinse shampoo caps prior on Amazon. I think Walgreens sells some, but they are generally geared more towards a more mature audience, like an elderly audience that maybe someone else is caring for them at this point in their life. So this Yes To is like the first, we will say, contemporary brand to bring us a no-rinse, instant no-rinse shampoo cap for those of a younger generation. As you can see, I found 3. These, I got mine from Meijer. I know Target probably sells them. I don't know about Walmart. They retail for about $3.99. I also got mine on sale. They have 3. This green one is for scalp relief, for a dry, itchy scalp. The blue one is for frizz fighting, for frizzy and curly hair. And then this pink one is for vibrancy boosting for lackluster hair. I don't have curly hair and it's, I mean, not really frizzy, so I think we'll save that one for a little bit later. And I mean, I don't really have a dry scalp right now, so I think we will use this one. The Vitamin C Brightening Instant No Rinse Shampoo Cup. This says, Yes To coming clean with grapefruit and vitamin C to give your locks, to give the locks you love a boost of brightness anytime you want to refresh or restyle your hair without washing or rinsing. Great for unicorn hair. I am one that has unicorn hair. I am going to read a little bit about this as I'm like putting it on and just doing the things. But it says how to use open pouch and remove the essence infused hair cap. Unfold and place on top of head, adjusting so that all hair fits inside the cap. Massage cap on the outside to ensure that the instant shampoo essence is evenly distributed into hair. Take a shower with the cap. The cap is waterproof. Get dressed or do a happy, oh, you can take a shower, get dressed, or do a happy dance while the essence works its refreshing magic for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove cap and restyle hair. A quick comb through with your fingers will make your do feel fresh, bright, and new, or lightly blow dry, or heat style if desired. Yes To a breath of fresh air anywhere, anytime, in a flash. Refresh, condition, and restyle your hair with grapefruit and vitamin C vibrancy boosting besties that help keep your hair looking shiny and gorgeous. Formulated without parabens, SLS, and silicones, safe for color-treated hair. Grapefruit naturally packed with antioxidants to help preserve hair's radiance. Also great with breakfast. Vitamin C adds shine to dull locks that need some love. Your future looks bright, and now your hair does too. Okay, so after working it in, it doesn't have much of a smell. When I took it out of the package, it was moist, which was weird to me because I thought it was going to be like dry or powdery, but I guess that is the essence that they're talking about, the shampoo essence. Essence of shampoo. So now we're just waiting 5 to 10 minutes. I do like it. It is really cute. It says that it is waterproof, so like if you were doing this in the morning or like before you're getting ready, or maybe you just need like a refresh before a night out, you could like put this on, massage it on, and then go and take a shower, and then go and get dressed and everything like that, and then get ready, because it says that the cap is waterproof, like the outside of it is waterproof. So yeah, it is also really cute. Like the little shower cap is super cute. So I am interested to see how this will work. I will check back in with you in 10 minutes to unveil and style on camera the hair that I have. So yeah, we'll be back. Okay, so my hair has been shampoo essencing for about 10 minutes. At least I think it's been 10 minutes. I want to say it's been 10 minutes because I was scrolling through my phone and then all of a sudden my timer went off and I was like, oh, okay. So yeah, we are going to snatch this off. It has kind of a plasticky smell. It doesn't really smell like much. Oh, okay. My hair is damp. It is moist. It does feel like clean though, especially like around my roots. This like back patch, not so much. I feel like I need my hair dryer. Okay. They didn't say that it would not be wet. They just said that it would, it's no rinse. Okay, so I'm going to go and get a hair dryer and yeah, we're going to refresh this situation. We are going to freshen up these roots a little bit with the hair dryer, and then we're going to, down messy, we're going to curl the hair. See how it works. I feel like it's kind of leaving my hair looking like stringy. Does that make sense? I'm going to keep going. Maybe the finished product will be different. Alright, I'm going to talk my feelings about this while I'm curling my hair. So the cap kind of left my hair looking like a little, if you can see, stringy. And yes, I know that it kind of already looked stringy prior to the cap because it has been about 3 or 4 days since I've washed my hair. So we're getting to that like ripe point. But essentially the cap is supposed to refresh all of that jazz, and I just don't feel like it refreshed as much as it could have at the roots. Also, I think that feeling like I have to use a hair dryer after the cap is also kind of like, well, why don't I just wash my hair? Because I'm gonna have, like, the whole reason I'm using these things is so that I don't have to wash my hair and I don't have to like blow dry and all that jazz. Now, I did like how it kind of put a little bit of life and body in the ends of my hair. So that was kind of nice and cool, and it does provide a lot of shine. But overall, just kind of disappointed with the rootage area, as well as I feel like for me with like my medium to long length hair, the like the hair at the top of my head, like the crown of my head, I feel like it didn't really get to the roots there, you know? It just kind of like rubbed on the actual hair that was just laying there. So then my roots still felt kind of like oily and grody and gross. And not to mention, this gives my hair kind of like a weird, like stiff feel. Not like a dry shampoo stiff feel. It feels like I showered and like didn't rinse all of the product out of it. Does that make sense? And I think that would be the shampoo essence, if I may. I don't feel like my hair is clean. I feel like I have to go and wash it now, you know, because I feel like whatever deposited on my hair is like making it some type of way. With that also being said, that might also be a flaw of having like medium to long hair. I could see if you had a pixie cut or shorter hair, how these no-rinse shampoo caps could really get down in there in the roots and like really refresh your hair really nicely. I'm just not loving it for like a medium to long hair solution. How is this different? Oh, gross. How is this different than dry shampoo, you might ask? So dry shampoo absorbs all of the oils in your hair. It makes it feel really stiff and actually kind of dries it out a bit. And it also kind of helps to style your hair as well. If you have really shiny or slick hair and you're having a trouble like keeping a curl or volume, try some dry shampoo because that'll help to kind of like give your hair some texture. These no shower caps aren't necessarily absorbing any oil. They're kind of like adding a product in to, again, like shampoo, like actually shampoo the hair. And it, I don't know, it's just leaving my roots like some type of way. So I'm going to go and curl the rest of my hair off camera so that we have a finished product to look at, roots and all, and then we will be back for final thoughts on these shampoo caps. Okay, so here is the finished look. Even after everything's all said and done, I feel like my hair has like a weird stringy texture to it. My roots are looking like flat, but like they have kind of a lot of volume. I don't know how to explain it. It's just like not the texture that I would like my hair to be even after using like a dry shampoo. It just feels like blah. But again, like I said, that could have just been maybe I waited too long. Maybe like 4 days of no washing is a little too much for these no rinse caps. Maybe my hair is a little too long and it's meant for someone with like shorter hair, like chin length to pixie cut. I can see the benefit. Like if I were in an absolute 100% pinch, I would say that these would really help you out because it does refresh the hair. However, it doesn't like clean it. Like that shampoo essence, I don't know what it is, but it's more like, it's not what you think it is. Like my hair does not in any way feel clean. It does feel refreshed and it looks refreshed. Like it does look, especially the ends, like the ends look a little bit better than they did a moment ago. But overall it isn't like I washed my hair and now I'm ready to go another like day or 4. So I will link the no shampoo caps from Say Yes, or Yes to Say Yes, from Yes to down in the description box below. So if you are interested in a possible dry shampoo alternative, although I would not call this a dry shampoo alternative, I would not give up my dry shampoo for these no shampoo caps. Just putting that out there. But I will link them down in the description box so you can check them out on your own time if you are interested in them. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on another review, tutorial, or unboxing. Thanks so much for watching, guys.